I personally consider data modeling the most important step in dashboard development. In this video, we will be discussing the star schema. A star schema is a type of database schema that is optimized for data warehousing and business intelligence purposes. It is designed to facilitate efficient querying and reporting. In Power BI, using a star schema helps improve performance and makes it easier to create and maintain reports. A star schema consists of two main types of tables: fact tables and dimension tables. The structure of a star schema resembles a star, with the fact table at the center and dimension tables radiating outwards like the points of a star. In terms of components, the fact table is at the center of the star schema. It contains quantitative data for analysis, such as sales amounts, quantities sold, or transaction counts. It includes foreign keys that link to dimension tables, whereas the dimension tables are arranged around the fact table. They contain descriptive attributes such as product names, customer names, dates, and regions. And each dimension table has a primary key that corresponds to the foreign key in the fact table. Watch video data analysis keys if you need to review the concept of primary and foreign keys. The advantages of the fact tables are related to store quantitative data, serving as the central repository for metrics and measures, making it easier to perform calculations and aggregate data. Designed for quick read access, fact tables enable efficient querying and reporting, which is essential for business intelligence operations. Clear relationships. They link to dimension tables through foreign keys, providing a clear and straightforward way to relate different data points and facilitating complex queries and analyses. Also, fact tables can handle large volumes of data, supporting scalability as your data grows. The disadvantages of the fact tables are based on the complexity of ETL, extract, transform, load processes to ensure data accuracy and integrity. Storage requirements. Fact tables can become very large, consuming significant storage resources, which can impact performance if not managed properly. The fact table analysis depends on related dimension tables. If dimension tables are not well designed, it can complicate querying and data interpretation. Whereas dimension tables. Advantages rely on a descriptive context, such as product names, dates, and customer details, enhancing the interpretability of data. With well-structured dimension tables, users can write simpler and more intuitive queries, improving the overall user experience in data analysis. Dimension tables ensure consistent use of descriptive attributes across different reports and analyses, reducing redundancy and maintaining data integrity. Besides, dimension tables help optimize performance by reducing the amount of data that needs to be processed in queries. In terms of disadvantages, remember that the data transformation number 1 video demonstrates how you could use the Google Sheet as a dataset. The Google Sheet link is available in the description. As usual, I am saving the file location as CSV. Go to Power BI and open the school file. It may have some data transformations saved from the previous videos. If you did not watch them, you can still follow the steps. To showcase a star schema, I will use the Inventory 2024 fact table and Manager and Location dimension tables. Go to the Model view in Power BI. Define relationships between the fact table and dimension tables using the foreign key primary key pairs. In our case, I am using both lock ID and department as keys. If the headers have the same spelling and the content are common between the two tables, Power BI may automatically create the relationship for you. If not, drag and drop fields to create relationships between tables. Typically, you'll link a primary key from a dimension table to a foreign key in a fact table. To create relationships, right-click on a table and select Manage Relationships or click on the connection lines. Choose the tables and columns that form the relationship, e.g., lock ID in the location table to lock ID in the inventory table. Define the relationship cardinality, e.g., one-to-many. If you need to review the concepts of relationship, watch the cardinality video. To properly model data, you need a good knowledge of data management. So, keep learning. There are more videos to help you.